Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Roblox to Steam. First, what you need to do is you need to open up your Steam. From in here, you're going to click on library, and as you can see, there will only be Steam games in here. Now what you need to do is you need to click on this little add a game button. From in here at a non-Steam game, now here it will search your computer for the applications you have installed, so just wait for it to load a little bit. Now once that's done, you're going to scroll down until you find Roblox. I have mine right here, Roblox Player, Roblox Studio. You can choose, so I'm going to select it. If you cannot find it in here, you can press browse, and from in here you can find the Roblox Player. So I'm going to select it, add selected programs. Now as you can see, my Roblox will be added to the Steam. It will just be completely blank. So now it's here, you press play, it's going to open your Roblox, and that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.